So earlier also we discussed it's very important for interview. Question is procure to pay process. Procure to pay process. Somewhere randomly I will explain today. Procure to okay. I did not. It's a note down. Procure to pay. So you are able to hear, right? At least you are understanding, right? Pooja?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So okay. At least later also now you can mute it. Later you can watch it once again. Okay. So procure to pay process already see the scheme of entries already we discussed. We need to design the scheme of entries depending on the business process requirements, clients, company, duly keeping in mind the mechanism used in SAP. Freezing the scheme of entries is one of the important tasks of functional consultant. Rest of the configuration, account assignment, strategy depends on very much on the scheme of entries. Okay. In this procure to pay process, I'll note down clearly. Hello, Geeta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Geeta. So finally you joined.
Yes, I
Okay.
forgot to recharge, sir.
You forgot?
To recharge mobile, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, got it, got it. Okay, no problem. So already we discussed from the beginning. I wanted to explain because I hope
Okay.
okay you may forget everything, but just I wanted to re-verify once again. I spoke with you already. See, for example, this scheme of entries procure to pay process. Okay, procure to pay process. I wanted to explain. Okay,
Okay.
in interview question, this is one important first priority. Procure to pay process. What is procure to pay process? They will ask. So answer is already I spoke with you, but the thing is you somewhere you may write or no, may not write. Just I wanted to explain because we are in the end of the almost we are in end of the class. Okay, that's the reason I wanted to uh, revision it. So okay, procure to pay process. First is answer is create purchase requisition. Answer is create create purchase requisition. Here T code ME51N. Here no entry, no FA entry. Please remember, next step is create purchase order. Create purchase order. T code ME21N. Here also no FA entry. So remaining already I have given. So goods received, for goods received. So goods received against PO. This is the same entry, but I wanted to explain more about this all. Okay. C point C rate. Receive goods against, or receive goods receipt. Better. Goods receipt, simple. Against PO. T code MyGo. Goods receipt. So inventory of raw material account data to GRIR clearing account. So inventory of raw material, we discussed it, right? The code BSX important. Next, GRIR clearing account. WRX. Okay, the next is for invoice verification. T code Myro. Next, for payment to vendor. Next, GRIR clearing account, same. WRX. Here also. Next, for payment to vendor. These arrows, I'll make it clear very later. Vendor account data to bank. So either you can use payment run F110. Okay, payment run, I told you, right? F110 for payment run. You remember it, right? In a accounts payable, we have done the payment run, automatic payment program. Okay. Through we can pay through F-53 or F110. Manual payment is F-53. automatic payment program, F110 automatic payment program. Okay, after next step, consumption of raw material, and it means issue of raw material to production, raw material account data to consumption account. Okay, raw material consumption account data to inventory of raw material to issue of raw material consumption account. Okay, this entire process is very important. Next, finished goods, finished goods account data to cost of goods sold, finished goods account data to, I'll make it very clear because we people are late, joined very late, we may not cover other stuff. So procure to pay process, create purchase requisition, FA no entry. Second, create purchase order. First step is create purchase requisition, no FA entry. Second is create purchase order, no FA entry. After that, once you raise the purchase order, you will receive the goods. Goods receipt, inventory of raw material account data to GRIR clearing account, WS WRX for inventory of raw material, BSX GRIR clearing account for WRX. Okay, invoice verification, GRIR clearing account, WRX. So this the BSX WRX. Next GBB also I had told you. These codes also, whether you read or not, this T codes also somewhere I updated. See, BSX for inventory posting, inventory of raw material, WRX GRIR clearing account. Okay, GBB offsetting entry for inventory posting. Okay, next important is payment program also. We need to payment program also, for automatic payment program also I have given material. Can you get up? Can you please open your automatic payment program material? Theory.
Yes, sir.
Please read it.
Okay. In-house banking orders controlled by payment method.
Madam, not
Sir,
house bank. I'm telling
automatic.
automatic payment program. Automatic
Yes, sir.
payment program.
Yes, sir. Automatic payment program. First point, sir.
Oh, please.
In-house bank ranking order controls by payment method. N number of ranking orders can maintain in-house bank. To do payment for multiple invoices, automatic payment method is used for bulk invoices for multiple vendors. Automatic payment program will work based on next run date and also respect payment terms and due dates. Next due dates means when we are going to execute the payment. Because of the next run date, system will due to the invoices due date compares the next due dates. While
Comparison by using, you are missing some one point. Comparison
using
by
the
using next run date. Invoices due date,
while
comparison by using next run date. Okay.
run date.
Okay.
Yes, sir. While comparing, system will check the below points. First one, payment due date, best cash discounts based on payment terms, any manual differences. Two, automatic payment method execute, we can do payment customers are as well as vendors. In automatic program execution, we also have reselect, which is used to filter the invoices based on selection parameters. It includes documents, number, invoices include or excluded by vendor, numbers.
Okay, next. So this is end user point. Okay, so automatic payment program through run using T code F110. It will be done by end users. So these all parameters required. Run date, identification. We need to maintain the parameters. I mean vendors, company code, paying company code. Okay, payment method. Okay, and these are the important. We need to explain so all uh, vendors it will pick through this automatic payment program while running it. So you need to ready to explain it. And so after that, immediately next my question, automatic payment program configuration. This question also will ask. Okay, T code FBGP, automatic payment program configuration. Please read it your material. So the screen also same, all company codes, paying company codes, payment method in country, payment methods in company code, bank determination, house bank. So we need to maintain all these parameters, all company codes, paying company code, payment method in country, payment methods in company code, bank determination, house bank. Geeta, please read it one by one.
Okay, sir. All company codes, paying company codes, payment methods in country, payment methods in company code, bank determination, house banks.
Okay, please, one by one, read it points wise. All company codes next. Point wise, you did not note all company codes. It's mandatory if we want to execute F110 to company code. APP payment run. Hello?
Sir,
Fast.
I have to read, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. All company codes. It specify the sending company codes and paying company codes. In all company codes, we will define paying company codes and also we will assign the special GL accounts. We are also having an option if we want to do payment with respect to each business area summarization wise. Next, paying company codes, where we define the minimum invoice amount to be considered for outgoing payment and incoming payments, also for respective forms. Paying company code means which company is processing the payment. Sending company means
Wait.
which
So one line you missed. And also the respective forms like payment advisors.
like payment.
Mm.
Okay. Sending company means which is sending the money. Next, payment methods in country. Payment method is nothing but payment medium or mode of payment. Example, check payment and fund transfer. It controls whether it is incoming or outgoing payment and also it classify the payment mode. Example, bank transfer, check. The payment method controls the payment medium in terms of file format or program. Example, MT01,
MT101,
MT03 and
MT,
also DMA.
yeah, please.
101, sorry, sir. 101,
MT101,
MT103
MT103, and also
and
DME.
also DMA.
Important. So MT101 and MT103, these are important. You can highlight the points. So these are the
Okay,
all
sir.
important. Okay, that's the reason I'm once again revisioning. Okay, please read it. Next point. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Okay, sir. Payment method in country.
File format.
File format.
File formats we can
Yes,
do
sir.
process in text files or in XML
Yes,
formats.
sir. File formats we can do process in text files or XML files. Payment medium program we need for check printing or any transfer document, etc. At payment method in country level, we can restrict the allowed currencies for payment. At payment method level, we can control the allowed countries or also for payment. Next.
Yeah.
Payment method in company code. If we want to use any payment methods in company code level, the respective payment method should be payment, minimum accounts, maximum accounts. These two conditions will applicable. Vendor, distribution level. It controls the maximum amount for one paying document. This field we use in check. Grouping of items. Single payment for marked item. If we select the indicator, the system do the payments with respect of each vendor line item wise and also for vendor master. If we select this indicator with the combination of company code during payments by using respective payment method, vendor master data level, individual payment item controls payments has to be happen with respectively each invoice line item wise. If we select at vendor level, it ignores payment method, which means it is applicable for all payment methods. Payment per due date. If we select this indicated system, will summarize the invoices based on due dates and system will do payment with respective to each summarized wise. Extended individual payment. If we select this indicator system will try to do payment for all the open item invoices by consider due dates or single payments. If we distribute amount maintained, then system ignores the extended individual payment. Next, foreign payments or foreign currency payments. If the vendor or customer is related to foreign country and we expected to foreign currency allowed. If we want to use foreign currency other than to local currency, we have to use foreign currencies. Customer or vendor bank abroad allowed. If the customer bank country is other than the
Such cases we need to activate.
such cases, we need to
Activate.
activate.
So next important, house bank.
Yes. In-house bank ranking orders controlled by payment method. N numbers of ranking orders can maintain in house bank. To do payment for multiple invoices, automatic payment program is used for bulk invoices for multiple vendors. Automatic payment program will work based on next run date and also respect payment terms and due dates. Next due dates means when we are going to execute the payment. Because of the next run date, system will do the invoices due date comparisons by using the next run dates. While comparing, system will check the below points. Payment due date, best check discounts based on payment terms, any manual differences. To automatic payment program execution, we can do payment customers are as well as vendors. In automatic payment program execution, we also have reselection, which is used to filter that invoices based on selection parameters. It includes document, number, invoices included or excluded by vendor numbers.
Okay, bank determination.
Yes.
Okay, better we'll go one by one slowly.
Okay.
Let's see where it, special GL. This is also important. Please read it. Special GL transactions.
Special GL transactions has been the following transactions are called special GL transactions. Down payments from customers, down payments to vendors, bills of exchange transactions, guarantees issued or received, etc. Special GL indicator. System uses special GL indicator to understand the nature of the special GL transactions. Example, special GL transactions, special GL indicator used. Down payment, A, bills of exchange transactions, W.
This one, just a minute. Surendra, please read it. Surendra,
Yeah, baseline data.
baseline date.
Baseline date. Baseline date is the date from which terms of payment are applicable. Invoice date.
Okay, it's a
Field state.
invoice date. It's a invoice date. Baseline date is the date from which terms of payments are applicable. For example, I told you, right, credit card, 45 days they give limit. So if you swipe today, I mean billing date, based on billing date. For example, 16th is the billing date. Okay, if you swipe 17 days, it will applicable from the today, this date, 17th. Okay, but it is the invoice date. Baseline date is the date from which terms of payments are applicable. The payment terms are applicable. Okay, accounts receivable, dunning. In accounts receivables, I told you dunning is important. Surendra, please read.
Yeah, dunning. Dunning means reminding. Entire the process of reminding our customers can automate in SAP by assigning a suitable during dunning.
Automated in SAP. Dunning means reminding. Entire process of reminding our customers can automated in SAP. Automated in SAP. Okay, next.
By assigning a suitable dunning procedure, we can maintain a business rule like whether a particular customer is to reminder at all or not. All or not, if he is be reminder after how many days, how many times, it etc. If a dunning is procedures is not assigned in a customer master system, does not send a dunning letter to the customers. We can maintain different levels in a procedure, so the different forms of reminders can be sent for different levels. We can send level 1 reminder for the first time, level 2 reminder after prescribed number of days in the payment is not received, etc.
Okay, next. It's important in dunning. Next, in asset accounting, assignment of accounts for automatic posting. So dunning F150, you remember, please remember, dunning F150 T code. Okay, next, in asset accounting, assignment of accounts for automatic postings are important. T code AO90 is important. Depreciation key, capitalization date, these are all important for interview. We need to create required GL. See, please read it. To get automatic postings relevant to tax account, we need to create required GL accounts and assign them to appropriate account determination object. It's mean transactions in this case. Okay. Account determination keys. Please read it. Someone. Surendra, please. Surendra.
Sorry.
Please.
Yeah. We use automatic posting mechanism extensively in asset accounting. Just like we use accounting symbols in case of interest calculations as accounts determination objective, we use account determination keys as account determination objects in asset accounting. In step number 5, we need to define one accounting determination key for each asset class creation in our company. As we have 6 asset classes, we need to have 6 account determination keys. SAP standard account determination keys are available for account class and account determination keys. Real estate and similar rights land on 10,000 10,000 technical asset and mechanism plant and machinery 20,000.
Furniture and fittings 30,000. Down payment made and assets under constructions 40,000. We need to create account determination keys for the remaining 2 classes, that is buildings and vehicles. We can use 11,000 for buildings and 31,000 for vehicles. Okay, we have one minute. Okay, important chart of depreciation. Chart of depreciation is the organizational unit which contains all the objects required for calculating depreciation. Business rules pertaining to asset postings are also maintained with reference to chart of depreciation. Setting up of chart of depreciation. Setting up of chart of depreciation, we can use T code OAPL. Once it is set to one chart of depreciation, all the objects created, all the documents posted are maintained with reference to that chart of depreciation only. Okay. So please read it once again. Better to will revision entire